Hey, what's up you guys? Magandang araw pong muli sa inyong lahat. It's me Vince once again, back to another video. Do you have some milk in your kitchen? Today I'm going to share this amazing, delicious, no when required milk dessert. It's simple and it's easy, so creamy, melt in your mouth, and it doesn't need any special ingredient. This recipe is phenomenal. Cooking is fun. Let's right jump into it. Okay guys, to make this simple and easy dessert, first we're going to melt some butter. This is about 25 grams. Of course, you can use margarine for this recipe. Along with this, I've added 80 grams of sifted flour. Using a spatula, we're going to mix the flour with melted butter until they're equally combined. And so then we're going to add milk. Here I'm using skim milk. This is about 500 ml. You can use other milk, full fat, low fat, zero fat, powdered milk, whatever, it doesn't matter. We're going to mix it continuously until medium to low flame setting. If you are new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell for more upcoming videos. I've added sugar. This is about 60 grams. You can adjust the amount of sugar depending on how sweet you want. We're going to stir it continuously using a spatula or hand mixer. This time you need to be patient because we're going to mix it until it becomes soft with no lump. I've also added vanilla extract to enhance its flavor. Give it a one last stir, then we're going to transfer it in a bowl. Here I'm using oven dish with little amount of water. This is because we don't want to stick the mixture on it. So gently pour and set aside while we're making the second layer.
Feel uninvited. Left your home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah. She needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this.
Alright guys, for our second layer, first we need to prepare half glass of water with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Give it a good mix, then set aside. So in a pan, add 1/4 cup of sugar. We're basically making caramelized sugar. Once the sugar melts, add the water with cornstarch and continue on mixing, and then add another half glass of water.
Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting. I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this.
Alright guys, now our second layer is ready. Just spread it evenly, cover with plastic wrap, then we're going to place it in the fridge from anywhere between 2 to 3 hours. Then it's ready. Enjoy!
Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
Is it, you guys? Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and try this amazing and delicious recipe. It's fast and it's easy to make. No oven required, no fancy ingredients, just the basic. And I'm sure that you and your family would definitely enjoy this recipe. Until then, God bless everyone. Take care and see you on my next video.